Hi there, this is a quick tutorial on how to submit your work in Google Classroom. If you go to Classwork, and then you go to View Assignment, you can see here your work and the button Add or Create. If you're just starting, it's probably easiest to create the Google document, and then it's automatically attached to this assignment. If you've already done it in a Google Drive document that's not attached, you can go search for that. And if you've worked on it recently, you'll find it here. And it will attach it. Make sure that something is attached, and then click Turn In. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to do that? And then you can click Turn In. Boom. And you'll see here it changed from assigned to turned in. Right now, if you forgot something or you need to work on it some more and you didn't mean to turn it in, you can unsubmit it. Which means I could go in and work on it some more. And it's still here, linked, and I can go ahead and turn it in for real. As long as it says turned in here, you're good to go. And you can always email your teacher with any questions. Good luck!